your day going?
It's been fairly good. My
Aw-
wife's been gone to appointments all day, and it's just been me and the dogs here.
Awesome. That's so cool. Well, John, now that I have you, thank you so much for joining today. I wanted to ask you a few questions. One of them
Okay.
would be, how was your solar experience so far?
So far, it's been good. The product got here in a fairly timely manner. The installers were professional and pretty efficient. There was a slight delay in commissioning the system because they weren't really clear on what stickers were necessary, but that got cleared up fairly quickly. So once they got the new meter in, it seems I'm producing more electricity than I'm using. So hopefully it'll offset everything and my bill will be substantially offset. And when I get the system paid for, my electricity should be paid for.
That's great.
Well, that's what I was looking for.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's so great. And what made you go with Green Home Systems?
Um, they, after doing a little bit of research, they just seem to be like the more quality system. The panels that are used and the people that I dealt with were pretty professional, so I
Perfect.
just went with it.
And who helped you again?
Itai was the one that I dealt with the most, and he was the one that always got back with me with answers whenever I had any type of inquiry. If he didn't have the answer right away, he found whatever, answers I was looking for.
Perfect. That's awesome. Well, John, I really, really appreciate your feedback today. And I'm sure you definitely inspired a bunch of other people who are interested in solar to go with Green Home Systems.
Well, I hope it does because it seems like it's a well worthwhile project.
Definitely, definitely. And you're helping the environment.